I paid for them. Guess what? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. So who's ready for another expectation versus reality video? I know I am. I am excited about this particular Balloon Garland kit because it is so fresh looking, summery looking. It is so bright. We'll find out together if it's true though. And I just couldn't resist. I bought it because I am over winter. I just want some bright colors, warm colors, fun colors like summer. Summer is welcome any day right now. I bought this kit off of Amazon, and like usual, I am about to dive deep into the description. I see how many pieces, what's the price for this kit, what's the balloon quality, and we're gonna construct this whole thing and see how it's gonna look, if it's gonna match the picture, the description, the everything, and it will be fun. Everything will be linked and listed in the description under the video, so go ahead and check it out. And without any further ado, let's go. As you guys can tell, I am reviewing yellow Balloon Garland kit with marble and confetti balloons. We also have balloon tying tool, balloon strip to construct our balloon garland, and one roll of glue dots. I wish companies would start including 2 rolls of glue dots. In my opinion, 1 roll of glue dots is just not enough to construct very well constructed balloon garland. It's not just this company that included 1 roll of glue dots and that's it. It's a lot of companies that I review balloon garlands from that include only 1 roll of glue dots, and I always struggle and I always pull out my glue dots to finish up the whole construction of any balloon garland kit basically. Let's quickly see how this balloon garland looks on Amazon. And this is how this balloon garland looks on Amazon. You guys, how stunning, right? This picture sold it to me and I bought this kit basically right away without even thinking. This kit includes 122 pieces, 3.5 stars, 10 reviews. I paid $16.99. This description over here, this description tells us that we have yellow, white balloons, agata balloons, basically your marble balloons, gold and black confetti balloons, and at the bottom they do tell us about the tying tool and balloon strip, glue dots. Let's go, let's construct this thing. Let's see what the quality of these balloons and how we can make this work. I am using my electric balloon pump from Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company. You often ask me what's the difference between this balloon pump and the one that I used before, this pink one from Amazon. Well, this one blows better in my opinion. It's quieter, it has dual nozzles, and you can blow your balloons one by one using 1 nozzle at a time. I like this one better. I just keep my pink one as a backup just in case. I like to take to events 2 balloon pumps because you never know what's gonna happen. Maybe one's gonna break, the other one's right there for you. Anyways, what I'm doing, I am taking my balloon, blowing my balloon. Soon as you're done blowing your balloon, press it against the floor to give your balloon more rounder shape. Use your balloon tying tool to tie your balloons and you're good to go. Just because we are using balloon strip, we need to inflate our balloons individually because 1 hole will hold 1 balloon. Quickly show you what I'm doing with my confetti balloons and how I deal with my confettis inside of my balloons. So blow your balloon up. These clear balloons are pretty clear and they are good quality. I like them. Okay, so I'm taking my hands and I'm starting to rub my hands all over my balloon. That way I am creating static inside of my balloon. Give it a shake, rub some more, And here you have one beautiful looking confetti balloon, so with confettis all over your balloon. I'll start constructing my balloon garland. You guys, focus on this pile. Do you see what's wrong with this balloon garland already? Do you see? While you're guessing, let's construct this balloon garland. I am starting with my 12-inch yellow balloon. I'm taking my balloon strip that was included in this kit. I am inserting my balloons into a bigger hole. Make sure your knot is completely through the hole. Slide it through the opening into a smaller hole and let it go. I am inserting all of my balloons on one side. I am not alternating sides. I don't see a difference. In my opinion, it's all the same. Also, I will be leaving my 5-inch balloons, my marble and confetti balloons aside. I will be working with 12 and 10 size balloons only right now for my base, and then I'll fill in spaces with the rest of balloons. Also, when you're going to notice that your balloons are starting to pop out of your strip, that means it's time to skip a hole. So keep an eye on your balloons. Let's go. Guys, let's talk about this balloon garland and what we have here so far. I hope by now you already noticed what is wrong with this balloon garland kit. It's obvious what is wrong with it, but you might not notice it right away because I didn't. After blowing my balloons, I went to my kitchen to cook dinner, clean the kitchen, wash dishes, and while I was washing my dishes, I was thinking about here and there, about this balloon garland kit, and then I'm like, oh, nah, it hit me, you guys. I went back to my filming room, I took a closer look, I went back to Amazon listing to check the description, and guess what, you guys? We are missing white balloons. White balloons, nowhere to be found. I got curious again, you guys, because we were missing some balloons. I started counting all the balloons that I got. So this description caption clearly stated that I will get 122 balloons. Guess what? I got 108 balloons. I am missing 14 balloons, and my guess, that's my white balloons. It's funny, you guys. I'm looking at the balloon breakdown right now, and I was supposed to get 30 white balloons. Clearly I didn't. I am missing 14, so they added something instead to cover kind of like half of missing. I don't know what is happening. So let's scroll down and see what's the reviews. Before reading my reviews, I love to look at the pictures if that review section has any pictures from buyers, and it's so interesting because every single picture that they have here posted from buyers is totally and completely different. Different colors, different everything. Not even one picture is the same with the same colors that they described. So let's find our first review. It clearly states that don't buy these. If you want to spend your event getting nasty scars from popping balloons, this is the kit for you. Nearly all the balloons popped within hours of blowing them. I didn't blow them up to capacity, nor were their temperature fluctuating in my home. Definitely a waste of money. Now I understand why this picture has different colors balloons, because they were trying to fill in that balloon garland kit because some of the balloons popped. 5-star review, very nice with vibrant colors. The balloons can be blown up to larger than your typical balloons. I do agree with that because 12-inch balloons, they do blow a little bigger than your usual 12-inch balloons, but the more you inflate them, the more they stretch and more translucent they become. 5-star again, perfect. Use this for my daughter's birthday party, so easy to use and beautiful. 1-star review, not as described. This product is not as described, all bright yellow balloons. 5-star review, very cute. 4-star review, great quality. 1-star review, not as advertised, did not receive product as advertised, all one size yellow balloons and some small black, which is very interesting. By reading these reviews, I can guess that this kit is so not consistent. It's like whatever I have, I throw and send. I don't know what was happening there. Maybe they mixed up the kits, or I have no idea, but yeah, not consistent. Overall, some people love it, some people don't. So I don't know what to say, you guys. I think we're good with reviews. I understand what is happening. I think you do too. So let's fill in spaces with our balloons. I am using glue dots that were included in a kit. If you have an opportunity, a chance to use more than 2 glue dots per balloon, please use it. That way you will ensure that your balloons will stay on your garland longer, because one glue dot, your balloons will fall and they will be on the floor. So let's go. How this balloon garland looks without flowers. I'm planning to add some of my own artificial flowers to match the picture, and I switched cameras. Sound and quality might be different because I need this camera to auto focus, because some of the balloons, they do have these interesting white specks on them. This is not the only balloon. A few of them have these white interesting spots on them. I don't know. So let's add some flowers. This is what I have for you guys today. This is my take on this balloon garland kit. This garland turned out to be very simple, cute, nothing over the top, very summery, but absolutely nothing close to what the seller was advertising this kit to be. I could have absolutely used more white balloons that are missing, but oh well, what can I do now? Balloon quality is good. I have nothing bad to say. They are soft and easy to work with. I can see color difference in marble balloons. If you can see closer, black color is not consistent throughout all marble balloons. I lost one marble balloon during glue dot application. I was tearing off the paper and you know, balloon just popped. I think that's all I have to say about this kit. I mean, you can see everything yourself. I will link and list everything in the description under the video, and I will share a few pictures at the end of this video as well. Hey guys, a quick update on this balloon garland. So I constructed and left it overnight, and this is what I have on my ground. So these are fallen balloons from my balloon garland. I always say to use more than 2-3 glue dots per balloon. Try to glue your balloon from every side possible if you want your garland to last longer. If you're planning to use flowers like I did in this garland, then put them right before party starts, because flowers are heavy and glue dots, it's a little bit hard for them to hold the weight of flowers. So just a quick update on this garland. Also, you guys, don't mind this pile of balloons and this bin. I'm trying to reorganize my balloons, keep it more, you know, organized and neat. This is it, it, you guys. This is my take on this balloon garland kit. Let me know if you have any additional questions. If you do have any, leave them in the comment section below. I will be there to help you out to the best of my abilities. If this video was helpful, enjoyable, entertaining, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with family and friends. That's always helpful. If you're new here, what are you waiting for? Just hit the subscribe button down below for more videos. And I hope you'll have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye!